Okay, y'all, so I am here getting our ingredients for what we need for this magical Christmas video. And I can't find the chocolate. Oh, I'm gonna need some red glitter. This one is better because I only need red. I don't actually need the whole big box. So we will do that one instead. And we're out. I am on my way to my cousin's. And I decided I'm gonna take this vehicle with me. No, I'm just kidding. I'll go to my car right now. And I know it's taking that long and I could just walk, but really, why? Seemed like a forever journey, but we are here. Okay, so today we are making, what are we making? Because this is your idea.
Today we're gonna be making hot chocolate ball bombs.
And
I guess.
look at these cute cups that she made. Little Grinch hot chocolate balls.
Yes.
Ball bombs.
Ball
Like
bombs.
bath bombs, but for
But
hot
for
chocolate. For the ingredients, you're gonna need pack of hot chocolate.
Extra marshmallows if you want like super duper extra marshmallows.
Because we love things
it.
marshmallowy. And then these fancy chocolates. It could be any white chocolate.
Yeah,
But-
Ghirardelli. Or I'm particular.
I love all chocolate, but she's particular. So we're using Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli.
And then we're gonna be using some red fondant little packet. Maybe some glitter. Haven't decided if we're gonna use it or not. Some whipped cream. And then for the balls, we have the little
molds.
silicone molds that this is where we're gonna put the chocolate. Anywho, so that's the ingredients. That's what we're doing. So hold on.
Let's get ready for the
We gotta get ready. We gotta get ready. We gotta put the outfit on. We gotta get ready.
1, 2, 3. Well, this seems right.
Oh, here we go.
So we're gonna melt the chocolate first, and we are going to put it in these candy den glass bowls. We're gonna move the camera.
Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh, what the heck? It ripped.
Alrighty, so we have put these in a glass bowl, the little Ghirardelli's chocolate. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave.
Alright, is it time to put them on the balls? This is what I was waiting for. Oh, right. It's Grinch. Duh.
Grinch, so we gotta add the
In
food
case you missed
coloring.
it.
Here you go. Wait, let's cheers.
No! Cheers! I'm gonna put like a little dot.
Yeah.
And see what kind of green it turns into. Oh, it's like a minty green. It's like a baby Grinch. 2 more dots. Okay, so total 6 dots we put in to get the green.
Sorry, that's still not good enough, I feel like, right?
Okay. 7, 8 dots. You know what? We're gonna do 9 dots.
So you're gonna spread it on here, only around the sides.
So they'll be freezing in there. While that is freezing, we are going to do the little hearts for the Grinch. Okay. My favorite part. It looks like a shooting heart. Tell me no. Because we have to put flour so that it doesn't stick. Yeah, if you put like some flour in there, it won't stick. Flour? Let me tell you about my flour. Did it happen or it didn't happen? Was that even 10 minutes?
No, that was not 10 minutes.
Do you think we have enough hearts or we need some more? You sure?
Okay, so my freezer was like super quick. So how you get them to stick together is you put them in a pan and you melt one side of it and then we put it together. So let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
First, let's take them out.
Okay, let's see. This is the moment. This is the moment. Oh no!
I feel like it's gonna like catapult.
Oh my. Okay, but like it's like
a kickstand.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Look at this. Now it's like gonna roll, duh. Shoot.
We totally use this on purpose.
Like, on purpose. Okay.
Oh.
We've got a Pokeball. I mean, a Grinch ball. Okay, so I mean, for our first time ever, that's like really, oh my God, let me I mean, excuse me. For our first time ever, that's not that bad. Okay, look at that. That's progress. What are you trying here? It's actually hard to take them out, y'all.
It is hard. Oh no.
Unless there's a method, we don't know.
There's probably a method.
In which case, if you do know the method, leave a comment. Let us know.
We're just winging it. You know, like the butterflies.
Okay, but like, I'm really like no good at taking this shit out. Like,
oh man.
oh my God.
Do I even have a good set? No.
Should have been melting
Fail.
some more chocolate.
Fail. Oh my God.
Ay, caramba. Oh shit. Like, I mean, oh. I'll do the beep. With the beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, so shoot. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Should we melt it down again?
Yeah. It seems
And
like
maybe try
easier to use.
Yeah, the little balls.
Not recommend.
Okay, so Amazon, y'all. I'll link it. All right, let's melt this chocolate again. I mean, seriously, it doesn't take that long to melt the chocolate. And it didn't take long at all to whatever. And I mean, I got enough chocolate for error. So as we know, 9 drops of green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So take a little piece. Put a bowl size amount in there, you know. Make it thick. What is that? Okay. Let's see. We made them thick enough. What? Second time's a charm. I'm gonna have to bleep this up. Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, so once the bowl is heated up, you're just gonna place one of the sides
Ooh,
in
the little
there.
baby one is
Oh, so cute.
Put it in and we melt it. Like, oh! Put the hot chocolate inside. And then I like marshmallows, so I'm gonna load mine up.
Take the excess.
Rub this on. We're just
Winging it.
A little cute. Oh gosh! Oh boy! Gee willikers! Little baby boy! This is like if you're having a little tea party.
Alright, so we're going to clean up this mess and heat up some milk and then try them out. Don't ever reheat the chocolate because it will end up like super chunky.
Just show them.
Like this. Sad puppy face.
I wasn't privy to the reheat trick. I mean, oh my gosh!
Beep! We're just gonna just beep you.
Just gonna button beep!
Oh, like the taboo button.
Yes! It'd be us if we didn't have the sparkle somewhere. They look cute with the collar.
They look so cute.
Like, look at that.
So cool.
I think it's cute. Look at that. It's dripping on the inside. I think it works. Okay.
The milk is done.
And I'm gonna put bottom layer marshmallows.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Alright guys, well that's today's video. It's a bit of a hot mess, but I think the result came out cute, right?
It looks super cute.
I
I mean, for the first time for us ever making it, I think they came out so cute.
I mean, definitely a fun thing to try at home and to just do, like,
For
just
fun.
for like a fun thing.
Yeah.
If you want to take it serious, I suggest practice. It definitely tastes super good, and
Really good.
I think it's cute though. Like it's a cute project. We're not selling them. We're just, you know, serving our kids. But it's a fun Christmas like little
Activity.
I mean, who doesn't love green eggs and ham, hot chocolate, or AKA the Grinch? But like, LOL.
Super, super cute.
But that wraps up today's video. And you know, if you liked it,
Tones.
I know
Every time we talk.
we're like opera singers
We are.
without the opera. But like, if you enjoyed this video, just like it,
Like and follow.
and then subscribe, and maybe a share. I don't know, don't get too crazy. But like and comment, thank you. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Cheers. Okay.